just a brief summary. Okay, so we have got multicellular organisms that we went through. We also went through that humans have a double circulatory system, which consists of the pulmonary system and also the systemic system. Okay, so the heart itself has 4 chambers. The top 2 are called atria, and the bottom 2, they are called ventricles. Okay, so vessels that contribute to this circulation, you have your aorta, artery, veins, and capillaries. All these 3 main ones, my artery, okay, my veins and my capillaries will require different adaptations, and they have got specific characteristics. Okay, so for this in depth, please refer to page 25 of your notes, as this is just meant to be a very brief summary. Last but not least, we looked at how blood is actually a tissue to recap your cell organization system. And this consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Okay, so moving on, please do your worksheets. Thank you.